Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. Got some work to do? Let's get it going. I put the tractor out here in the workshop, and while it was warm I had no problems, but it got real cold and the battery went down. It wasn't dead, but it went down. So I had the maintainer sitting on the shelf out here. I just clipped on the maintainer and kept it going. It's got a little charge in it. I mean, it'll spin the motor just real slow. So I hooked up the 6 amp charger to it. It started out pulling 3 amps and now it's down to 2. I expect it's going to be an hour or so before it gets charged up all the way, maybe longer than that. Long enough, hopefully, for me to get the snowblower going. And once we get it charged up, I'll put the maintainer back on it and we'll keep it going. I got one for the tractor and one for the lawnmower because those are the two things that have batteries in them that I seem to have problems with. I got the propane heater going. I'm gonna see if I can get the snowblower straightened out, doing two things at once. One thing I'm trying to do is get this so that I can walk through here without stumbling on stuff. I tripped and fell the other day in the garage. Not serious, but it sure hurt. So, see if we can't get this going a little better. Got the shelving up. I've got stuff on the shelves. I'm bringing stuff out here. I still have things to put away, and I really need to organize this area so I can get things in and out. Like right now, I'd have to move the mower to get the tractor out. And the likelihood of needing the tractor before the mower is pretty good. Putting the maintainer on the lawnmower has worked now for about 10 years. So that's a good investment. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. And no, I won't be out here a long time. I've got a Gator so I can keep myself warmed up. And we'll see if I can get this little job going. If I get tired, I'm just going to go in the house. Nothing's a rush. Thanks for watching.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union without the express written permission of the parents or the legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.